family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we still sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. You all see the title, and we're going to be talking about the new Nose Latte Pistachio. Yes, we are going to be talking about that and giving you all my full thoughts, my full review on this fragrance. So let's get into it, shall we? Yeah, let's. First up, before we get into the deeds, I was so happy to see on AI the Great's post that she had one of her sales from Sol Avantgarde in partnership with them. She had a sale going on and she highlighted this beauty right here. This is the Latte Pistachio from New Notes. And if you all know anything about my channel, I have talked about this as something I was very much interested when we were talking about our Amber chit chat or fragrance chit chat. This was one of the fragrances that I was interested in getting my nose on. So this is one that I did blind buy, but we'll get into my full thoughts right now. So, versatility. Is this fragrance versatile? To me, no. I don't think this fragrance is versatile. I feel like it's definitely for a setting, and let's get into what that is. So, talking about occasion, I think this is definitely for a date night. Like, this gives me date night, this gives me evening event, something during the night, something that you want to kind of step up a level, right? And what you want to portray walking into the room, right? This to me gives me definitely sexy date night. Yeah, like anything during the night. Like, this does not give me day. This does not give me, oh, let me just go to the grocery store. No, like quick grab and go, easy read. Like, it doesn't give me any of that. Maybe you can wear this to work depending on what line of work you're in, or what you do for work. Like, I could see a lawyer, kind of like a very bold. Like, I couldn't see, like, if you were teaching maybe little kids. I don't know about that, but maybe if you're teaching like college students or a professor or like teenagers, maybe. But this definitely gives me like late in the night, late event, ball, if you're going to a ball, a party, something like that. So that's what this gives me for occasion. Now, packaging. I absolutely love this packaging. This was so cute to me with the kind of green color, giving you the pistachio picture on it. But it sat in this when it came. It sat like in this little cute little box that has New Notes around it. I love that. I think it was really cute. But the packaging is definitely the classic New Notes packaging, which I love. It's no magnetic cap, but I feel like this beauty, you can see your juice. The color goes with the vibe of the fragrance. So I love the packaging. I think it's cute, simple, simplistic, and definitely something that can sit on your dresser and be cute. Now, pricing. This is going to cost you about $220. Yeah, I know it's a little penny, but when your favorite creator has any discounts with Sol Avantgarde, I would say then pick this up. I would definitely get this on a discount. So look at AI the Great. She definitely has a great sale. I think Sharita, I don't know if Sharita M does, but I think Sheree has a discount with Sol Avantgarde. Sharita M might, I don't know, but whoever your favorite creators are, and if they have a partnership with Sol Avantgarde, I would hit them up when they have them good old sales and discount and get you a discount on this. But original price is $220 for this fragrance. Now, does this lean more feminine or masculine? I honestly feel like this is unisex. I think this is a goer. This can lean definitely feminine, the bold, the sexy, the boss woman. It definitely can lean that. And it can lean for a sexy man, very bold man. So I feel like this gives me middle. I wouldn't be thrown off if a man was wearing this. So yeah, definitely a unisex fragrance. And when it was launched in this year. So this is their latest beauty from New Notes. And let's get into the notes. So notes, we have pistachio, we have orange lemon, we have coriander, we have milk, cardamom. So we got a little spice going on. We have sandalwood, musk, and amber. Okay. So so that's the review D. So let's get into my real thoughts on this fragrance. Yeah, let's get into it. So first, on the opening, when I initially sprayed this, I'm going to tell you all what this reminded me. Not that this is a dupe by any means. Okay, let's talk about it. So I know we don't want to hear this name, but the House of Sillage has this fragrance. It's called Passion de l'Amour. Okay. And I remember like creators hyping it up about this fragrance. Passion de l'Amour, this is my favorite, Passion de l'Amour. Like House of Sillage all day, this green cupcake. I was like, girl, what is this green cupcake? What does it smell like? Well, what's going on? So I was able to get like a good travel size of Passion de l'Amour to be able to try it. And girl, I tried this. I said, listen, creators. Okay. I like it that y'all like it. It is not working for my skin. Please let me borrow your skin. It was one of those. Like, I know a lot of people love that fragrance, but for me, it went totally left. It wasn't for me. It wasn't my vibe. I was like, nope, and no. Okay, so Passion de l'Amour, no. So when I first initially sprayed this, that is the fragrance that came to mind. Again, I don't think it's a dupe, but there was something in there that I was like, Passion de l'Amour? I was like, okay, but I will say, with this latte pistachio, this was like, I wasn't expecting what I received, right? When I hear latte, I'm thinking creamy. I'm thinking sweeter than sweet, right? I'm thinking fake coffee and nuttiness. Like, that's what I'm thinking about with this fragrance. I'm like, okay, this is going to be real cute. This is going to be, my speed, a little latte. So I'm thinking, okay, maybe it has a latonic note, a little creamy, but it's going to be sweet, right? So when I, again, initially sprayed it, it gave me Passion de l'Amour, and I was like, whoa, wait a minute, okay? I've seen you. I've heard of you before. But girl, when it just kept coming together, I was like, oh, this is what I wanted Passion de l'Amour to smell like. This is what I thought it was going to smell like, with kind of this description, the sexiness, the creaminess, the caramelness, the nut. Like, I thought that's what Passion de l'Amour was giving me with all the descriptions of what I thought was good. So I was like, oh my goodness, this is what I wanted Passion de l'Amour to be. But listen, scratch that, so much more. I have never, because I don't have like this enormous, like, I'm starting it off, I'm getting there. But no, I have not smelled a sexy pistachio fragrance. Listen, this is sexy. Oh yeah, this is for my sexy women, boss women. This is for you, okay? This ain't no, gourmand, schoolgirl, and I'm guilty. The gourmand girl is guilty. Hello. This is gourmand, but it takes it up a notch to like, oh, but we've been here before, okay? This is the sexy gourmand, okay? This is grown woman gourmand. Listen, Linda, this is good. If you can't tell, I enjoyed this. And it was so crazy because I was like, oh, this is Lamar. Okay, Passion de Lamar. Not Lamar, but Passion de Lamar. I was like, no. But listen, what you can't do is you cannot test this on strips. Don't be disgusted and busted testing this on a strip. You have to test it on skin. I honestly recommend you test this one on skin to get your full thoughts. Now, if you don't like it, you don't like it. Okay? This ain't your cup of tea. It just ain't your cup of tea. But definitely give it a try on skin. It is so... It's not only woody and like this nuttiness, but it's this spicy sexiness, like an aromatic sexiness of the nuttiness and creaminess, and oh, it's so good. And the woody and the aromatic and the pistachio. Like, I was so shocked. I was shocked. Okay, this is good. So a successful blind buy for me, but I love it because I was like, before, I would run away from things like this. I would be like, oh, no, this is heavy, this too much, oh, no. I like the sweets on the sweeter than sweet. I still like the sweets on the sweeter than sweets. But, ooh, this gives me sweet, nutty, creamy, but not too sweet, sexy. This is a sexy pistachio fragrance. So if you're looking for a yum pistachio gelato from Kayali, like if you're looking like, oh, well, sis, how does it compare? It don't, sis, like by any means. Like, listen, if you don't want to go deep and depth into a pistachio fragrance, don't even look at this. If you don't have like this open mind of like, pistachio can be sexy, don't look at this. Because the yum pistachio gelato, even though I love that, it definitely gives me this not girly, but definitely this like gourmand, sweeter than sweet, right? It's very playful and it's definitely lighter than this. This is a punch of impact, okay? So good, but this is not going to be everybody's jam. Now, I'm not going to say, oh, if you like sexy fragrances, go sign up. I'm not going to say that. But if you want to experience pistachio on a sexier level and you don't mind getting a little deeper, okay, in your world of fragrances, consider. This is really like, I was like, okay. This was almost like graduation. I was like, am I graduating in the fragrance world? Because to take this sexiness, nuttiness, creaminess, and actually appreciate it and love it, yeah, I'm growing. Look at my dent. Like, I have tested this, love it. Listen, but I feel like this is definitely like date night. Like, you know, I mean, if you are at a line of work where you want to bring out the sexiness, you just want to, you know, look cute, look sexy, just walk in the room. Like, this is a good one, right? But if it ain't that type of work, ain't that type of business, she gonna hurt you too much. But so good. Highly would recommend this latte pistachio. And when you hear the name, again, you're thinking creamy and cutesy, and yeah, it's nothing like this. This was not what I thought it was going to be, but it's definitely a pleasant surprise. But all that to say, if you threw away your Passion de l'Amour and your House of Sillage collection and you miss maybe that experience that it gave you, consider getting this. Consider getting this, sis. This is good. Okay, I feel like this would be a contender you know, um, for you to get something that kind of gave you that thump, you know. Oh, it's so good. Okay, it's so good. So again, that's what it gave me. Now, if it don't give you that, don't come for me, because that's what it gives me. That's my skin. That's my nose. Okay, so, but I would say if you did not enjoy Passion de l'Amour and you were like me, you were expecting something different, maybe consider this. Maybe get a tester, try it, and see if this might be your vibe, because, yeah, it's definitely a winner in my book. How would I rate this? Oh my goodness. I would definitely rate this maybe a 9 out of 10. And I won't give it a 10 out of 10 only because I don't feel like this is like versatile, again, where I can wear it in any setting. You can wear fragrances in any setting. I'm talking about me. Like, I don't feel like I can wear this in any setting and being like, oh yeah, like, if I'm going to the grocery store, girl, what am I putting on? Girl, what do you got on? And for what? Are you going somewhere else after this? Like, I wouldn't be in the Walmarts with this. It just wouldn't happen. But if I was going somewhere for the night in a Walmart, then that's gonna happen. But either way, definitely a 9 out of 10. It is good. It's definitely a grown woman fragrance. So if you're looking for anything like that and you want a sexy pistachio fragrance that will turn heads, because I did get quite a few compliments, yeah, this one is a winner for you, sis. Well, that's all. That's all, family, for my thoughts on the new notes, the new fragrance from New Notes, the Latte Pistachio. Okay. Let me know. Have you tested this? Have you gotten your hand or your nose on this? I would love to know your thoughts. What are your thoughts on it? Comment down below if you haven't. Like, is this something that interests you? Give me your thoughts. What are your favorite New Notes fragrances? I would love to know that too, because I definitely got to get me some more. We already had that video. You know, I got a list going. Yeah, AI the Great. We need some more So Avant-Garde discounts. Not about me. We need some more discounts so I could add some more New Notes to my collection. Well, family, make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some, yeah, grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.